What's up, guys? It's me again, Maureen from PartyLab.id. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple rainbow balloons. It could be for your balloon gift, parcel, decoration, even birthday, graduation, anything. So let's get started.
I used 260 balloons for all of the parts, 6 colors for the rainbow and white for the clouds. Inflate about halfway because we're gonna twist a lot of pinch twists there. Start with the double pinch twists, continued with 1-inch bubble, another double pinch twist, and so on until you have 13 double pinch twists with 1-inch bubble spacers. Straighten it up so that everything aligned and facing the same direction. Mark the center. We will start with the purple. Attach it to the 6th pinch twist. And do this so that the balloon is nicely curved instead of folded. Attach the other end to the 8th pinch twist. Continue with the blue section. Measure until it just touches the purple. Try to minimize the gap between color as small as possible, but don't let it overlap the previous color, otherwise the arrangement will be unstable. It is easier to work on a flat surface like a table. Attach glue dots in between every colors in the center of the rainbow. You can stop here, but I'm gonna add some clouds on both ends. Inflate about 2/3 of the white 260. Make random sizes of loops. Then attach the cloud to the end of both sides. I used 4 pieces of clouds.
So this is the result. It's simple, pretty fast to make, and cheerful color. I hope you like it. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully there will be more video to come. Thank you. Bye-bye.